English Learning Network.
From Shadows to Stars, Lily's Journey of Hope. In a small village, there was a girl named Lily. Her family was poor, and she often went to bed hungry. But Lily had a big dream. She wanted to go to school and learn everything she could. Every morning, she would walk miles to school in her worn-out shoes. Despite her hardships, she was always the first to arrive and the last to leave. Lily didn't have fancy books or a comfortable home, but she had determination. She studied by the light of a single candle, using old newspapers when she couldn't afford notebooks. People in the village would often say, "Why try so hard, Lily? You'll always be poor." But she never listened. She believed that education was her ticket to a better life. Years passed, and Lily's hard work paid off. She won a scholarship to a prestigious university. The same people who doubted her were now inspired by her journey. Lily graduated with honors and became a successful engineer, helping to build schools and hospitals in her village. Lily's story teaches us that no matter how tough life gets, if you believe in yourself and work hard, you can achieve anything. She turned her struggles into strength and her dreams into reality. Remember, no matter where you start, your dreams can take you anywhere.